YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Young. I'm back with another vid. Hey, man, we are in the Impala today, sliding on our way to the shop. I'm probably gonna call this low voltage Impala today, man. Yeah, gotta go to the shop, man. Gotta go get this alternator replaced. You feel me? So pretty sure it's the same alternator that's been on this car since 2014. So it's 2022 now. So hey, I think the alternator did pretty good, man. So yeah, about to go get that replaced, man. And hopefully I won't have no more, or should have no more dead batteries after this car sit for like 2 or 3 days. So yeah, but here's right here, man. Yeah, ready to go. You feel me? Shout out to my motherfucking peoples out north. Matt Singer for the plug. You feel me? For the plug. Go ahead and get this installed, man. They probably gonna bust me probably like 2 hours worth of labor. I think it's like 140, 160 an hour. So probably gonna bust me 2 hours worth of labor though. So it is what it is. But yeah, man, you know the Riviera fix. Did that. If y'all ain't watched my last video or one of my last videos, sometimes they do be out of order. You feel me? But shit, man. Hopefully this Magnum be done by the end of April, man, for real, because it's getting warm out, man, you know? And I gotta be pushing that mug, man. Gotta have that mug out here, man, for real. So probably gonna check on that today too, I'm not for sure, but I'm rolling. About to go ahead and slide to the shop, drop it off, hop in the SRT Rango, and then shit, might slide to the body shop, or just slide my ass to the crib, nigga. So who knows, we'll see. But I also let you know when I pick this up, so the video gonna end when I pick this Impala up. So yeah, man, check these sliding, fam.
3 of them to God. Found prosperity in a pandemic. What a blessing. Just follow my lead. That's God, man. The Ram. Fuck with me. Bought a Panamera in the pandemic with a Panamera roof in it. Black Benz with the red trim, look like Bruce Wayne should've driven. Riding around, I'm getting it, yeah. Riding around, I'm getting it, yeah. Riding around, I'm getting it, yeah. They surviving, I'm living, yeah, yeah. All my whips be diverse. I could pull up in a hearse. I print my name in cursive. I'm a different type of nigga, different type of jeans, different type of breed, yeah. Standing on the top, nigga, yeah. Where a gargoyle be, whoa, all my people eating good, yeah. I made it all the way out the hood, yeah. Talking about Beverly Hills, spinning like I'm in the hills, yeah. Niggas talking about this, talk about that, but where you at? Yeah, me, I'm in a different galaxy, I write my own salary, yeah. I ain't never asked for nothing, every day I wake up stunting. I need a stunt double, yeah, cause I ain't tryna die for nothing. Whoa, big gold Desert Eagle, nigga, better get back before I give you that. Riding around with a semi-automatic, nigga, I don't wanna lay you flat. Bought a Panamera in the pandemic with a Panamera roof in it. Black Benz with the red trim, look like Bruce Wayne should've driven. Riding around, I'm getting it, yeah. Riding around, I'm getting it, yeah. Riding around, I'm getting it, yeah. They surviving, I'm living, yeah. Prosperity in a pandemic, motherfucker, right? I did it. You a broke nigga, I know you ain't shit, nigga.
Alright, YouTube, we here, man. Drop the boy off, man. So this mug be running nice and smooth when I get back, man. Feel me? Yeah. Good to go?
Yeah, you can't hear you.
No, I'm leaving.
Okay.
up, YouTube? We back. Impala is done. You see, we in it right now. Man, sure, we'll see the next couple days, man. We'll solve my issues. I still need to take it to the dealership, though. Get some stuff reprogrammed. Because I done lost a couple items out my main menus and shit, but besides that, man, we should be good to go, man. So let this motherfucker sit for about a couple of days, 2 or 3 days, and see how it go. But y'all like, share, subscribe, and check the update that's coming, man. And most importantly, watch my older videos, man. Watch my older videos, man. So all right, y'all, the Vision Gang. Peace.